Hi, I'm Shin and welcome to next video from my Datsun restoration. As I said in previous video, today we will prepare our car, still prepare our car. I say our because for some reason, if you watch this, you are repairing, try to repair it with me. And yeah, so our car, communism, welcome. What I will preparing to putting out this. So today we'll unplug some parts. I have a hose here. To be honest, I'm not sure for what are they. Even two hoses, because they are cut at the end. I'm not sure if in my version was already intercooler, but yeah, I will just take them off. So we start from them. Alright, I will back to you when I finish it. Okay, I did that. I will just mark now my ignition wires. Yeah, and I will mark them from left to right. Now I will unplug them from coil distribution. I don't remember a word, or maybe another. I will leave them here, but unplug them. And now I'm taking off a coil cover. unplug this one and also mark him. And now I want to take this whole one. Right, this one I will leave here because I don't have possibility to take this off. Just can't look. It's no way. So okay, it can be here, but this one, oh, it's so dirty. This one I will put back here. Yeah, and this tube. For now it have no bigger sense to me. Okay. Okay, they can be together. Yeah, and it's part of the cables. I'm not sure if the cables. Right, I will leave this, but I must somewhere put this, and I'm not sure where. Oh, and here is a hose. I forgot about that. Yeah, so I will unplug him, but it's really heavy. Okay, and I will mark them. You know what? I will just unscrew this wire. Let me. I will unscrew this wire, and I will be able to take just this whole part away. And yes, and it's not maybe too much, but for today it will be all. Sorry for that, but this video I recording immediately after putting out cooling. Yeah, and just right now my camera, my memory is full. I have still a GoPro, but it will be a worst probably video with that. On previous video you saw some shots from that when we were screwing the cooling. And yeah, so for today this will be all. To be honest, I'm not sure which ones I need to put out. Because I just I just know that I need to unplug or unscrew everything what is connected to body or firewall, and that was I was doing today, and we did it. The test ones wasn't necessary, but it's always okay. Yeah. So in next week we'll probably finish rest part, rest of this. So this video will be as part 1, and next week will be part 2. So for now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a like below. And if I'm doing something wrong, you know what can help me to do, just write it in comment, because I will be thankful to hear that. Because as I said before in another videos, I'm still new at mechanics, and I still don't know everything about this car. So every advice will be helpful to me. And yeah, see you in the next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.